Today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 212 different strategies, with 70 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 102 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that we are doing a giveaway. The giveaway ends at the end of March and the winners will be announced then. There will be 3 winners, and the winners will get a 1-month free membership to our Patreon, which will give you access to all the Patreon benefits, including access to the Academy of Forex indicator, again for that 1 month. If you are already a patron of the channel, you will be refunded that monetary value of the difference. To be eligible to win, you will need to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, like this video, and leave a comment just saying hi or whatever you want to say. And you will also need to join the Discord. That is the most important part. That is where the winner will be picked and announced. And again, this ends at the end of March of 2024. So today's source video says, I found the best trend indicator on TradingView. It will blow your mind. So of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. I highly doubt it's the best trend indicator on TradingView, but you never really know. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these 2 indicators here. So the first indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the indicator trend trigger factor, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it will look similar to this here. All the default or all the settings stay on the default, so you won't change any of the settings at all. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the simple neural network transformed RSI. This one right here. You'll add that to the screen and it should look like this right here. Again, all the settings stay on default on this one, and so you won't change any settings at all. So what we're looking for a long trade is when the trend trigger factor, this one right here, breaks up above this dotted line right here. And if I zoom in really close, you can see that it gives that green background right there, similar to this right here. And so when it breaks above that dashed or that dotted line right there and we get that green background, we're then going to look down to the transformed RSI right here. And it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that there are faint light blue bars right here on this indicator. And that's what we're looking for, is a light blue bar, and it needs to be, according to the source video, not a doji or like pin bar. So it has to have a reasonable body to it, which can be problematic in of itself. Get into subjective versus objective and so on. But nonetheless, this one has a decent body to it. Again, it's kind of hard to see, but a decent body nonetheless. And when those 2 line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to set our stop right below the last swing right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Should be good. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that it takes just a little bit, but we eventually stair-step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is when the trend trigger factor crosses down below this dotted line right here, the lower dotted line. And again, you can see that background right there. This time it is a red background that we're looking for. And when that takes place, we're then going to look down to the transformed RSI, and we're looking for it to have a purple candle like this here and a nice body to it. Now this time you can see a little bit better what we're looking at here. So purple candle, and it is a reasonably large candle, and so that meets the criteria. So that will be our signal to enter into a short. Again, we're going to put our stop right above the last pivot right there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And once again, takes just a little bit, but we eventually step down there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting it at a 34% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for a total gain of negative $3,000. So I guess total loss of $3,000, not a gain. And so obviously not the best trend indicator on TradingView. Might blow your mind, but just because you're losing a lot of money. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 47 trades during the same period of time. We had 40 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000. On the losing side, you'd have lost $6,300 for an overall profit of $17,700 during about 1 month of trading. So significantly better results from the Academy Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades that we would have taken, again with the Academy of Forex indicator. Last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether, 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a 71% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,200. On the crypto coin, we had 5 trades, 3 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a 60% win rate. Would have been a gain of $240 for an overall gain of $1,440. And so for the 15-week total now, we would have been up $26,080. You can see more information about the strategy here, and you can see the account growth right there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.